In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon Prime Video voucher code. To start, you will need to sign into your Amazon account. This is a crucial first step because it ensures you have access to your account and can redeem your voucher code. Once you reach the Amazon homepage, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button again. If you've entered the correct information, you'll be directed to your account dashboard, where you can begin the voucher redemption process. It's important to remember that only registered users can redeem codes, so ensure your account is active. Now that you are signed in, hover over the Account and Lists section. This is typically found in the same upper right area of the page. When you hover your cursor over this area, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account. This action takes you to your account settings, which is where all the essential options for managing your account are located. Navigating here is important because it houses the tools you need to redeem your voucher. Once you click on Account, you will see various options laid out clearly on your screen. Next, click on Gift Cards. This option is prominently displayed on your account page. By selecting this, you will be taken to a section specifically designed for managing your gift cards and vouchers. This is where all your redemption needs will be addressed. You will see options for viewing your gift card balance and redeeming new codes. Knowing where to find this section simplifies the process and ensures you can easily manage your funds. From there, select Redeem a Gift Card. This option will lead you to a new page where you can enter your voucher code. It is vital to choose this option because it specifically allows you to input your code for redemption. On this page, you will see a field labeled for entering your voucher or claim code. This is a straightforward action that sets you up for the next steps in the process. Now, enter your voucher or claim code into the provided field. Make sure to type it carefully, as any errors could result in a failed redemption. This step is crucial because it directly impacts whether or not your balance will be updated. Once you have entered your code correctly, take a moment to double-check it. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring that the code works seamlessly on your first attempt. Click Apply to your balance to finalize the redemption. This action confirms that you wish to add the value of your voucher to your Amazon account balance. After clicking, there will be a brief moment where the system processes your request. If successful, you will see a confirmation message appear on your screen. This confirmation assures you that your funds have been added and you can now use them for eligible Prime Video rentals, purchases, or channel subscriptions. The value is added to your Amazon account balance. This means you can now use these funds for various purchases, including rentals and subscriptions for Prime Video. This flexibility is one of the advantages of redeeming your voucher this way. You can also apply it toward your Prime membership if supported in your region. With your balance ready, you can enjoy all that Prime Video has to offer. In conclusion, redeeming an Amazon Prime Video voucher code is a simple yet effective process. By following these steps, you can ensure your account is funded and ready for use. Enjoy your viewing experience knowing that you have successfully redeemed your code. Thank you for watching and happy streaming.